Yo. What do you know, Tiwi? Let's bring you on. No, my hare my kroto te pare.
Oh, we back. We here. We live. We on.
All I gotta say is
Time I go for mine. I got to shine.
You are like Rangi. You are like Rangi. Hey.
Yes, that's right, Whana. You are here with the crew. Eara e Mara, your favourite breakfast crew.
Yeah, that's
In
an
the world.
advocate.
Yeah. Actually,
We're an advocate, people.
We're pretty cool. I think that's pretty flashy, actually. People at my gym are like, "Hey, you on that station?" I'm like, "You've watched your friend the Advocate."
Yeah. Also, it has come to the last day of
12 days of Christmas.
That is right. And
Yes.
we're not giving away one prize today. We're not giving away 2 prizes today. We're giving away 5 prizes today, and we'll be getting into that very shortly.
Yes.
Shout out to everybody who just entered last night and this morning. And those who entered from day dot, you're in there, and I hope you win a prize.
Yeah, definitely
That's
got a
right.
few entries last night. I know because my Instagram garnered a
Was
few
going
followers
hard out.
last
Yes,
night.
I was like, "Oh, who's this? Oh, who's this?"
yeah.
I see Joel
Aye.
Steele. Joel Steele's being tapping.
Yeah.
I saw Tyler Carr
Tyler-
gliding about
Tyler
as well.
Brook, yeah, she was going
Tap,
hard.
tap, 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 tap.
Yes,
I was
so
like, oh, someone wants to win today.
someone wants to win,
That's
and why
right.
not? We do have 5 prizes to give away.
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
so
also
excited.
like criteria. Be Masia's funny.
yeah.
Like, okay, I haven't rigged it to you.
No, that's
You
right.
watched the spinning
That's what
wheel.
someone who'd rig it would say.
Yes. Anyway, where are you?
Let's bring in
Are you-
Phoenix. Is
are we
he in?
bringing
Oh,
you
no,
in?
not in.
I thought you were.
My bad.
Did you say join? No, he did.
No, I didn't. I just saw the camera. and I was
We're talking about our on-layer
Online.
platform, Etiwi. If
That's
you're
right.
on-layer, did I say on-layer?
you said online there.
Yeah, on-air online
Online
platform.
platform.
If you want to go check us out online, you can see us kanohi nei, marunga i te pukamata at
Aye.
Eare Mara
Yes.
or at Nifa Creative.
That's right.
And then you can help contribute to all the laughs and all the fun, and also we're asking for help, and we rely on you to help us with certain things.
That's
Yeah.
correct.
So if you're on the
Shana.
Facebook, you can help us immediately. Usually it's with like something to do with Marcia's English.
Tika. Or like, no, damn, I haven't got a comeback. Or a comeback.
Damn it! Doesn't that annoy you?
Yesterday's yesterday's letter was P for prequel.
How do you know? Like, so, like, futuristic.
Oh yeah, true. That's right. Yesterday, tomorrow.
Oh, Marcy, you've got a message. I miss you at basketball.
Oh, yeah, I miss basketball.
Oh yes, it was a fun one too. It was a
I
fun
saw
one.
her.
Yeah.
Oh, but look, it's from Fire Oriole.
I fire Oreo.
I call you Fire now. Nah.
You got a
And she's
moko
like,
kaua.
yeah, tika. No, right, actually, I think I should karanga to you. Te nara koe whaore e, ka wena i ngā mahi a te basketball e, mo te taha ki te wahine e, mihi ana.
No te hoko, no te whare I hoko koe.
E me tonu ana ki ngā whare, o te whare ruka e, haven't you fellas got enough whare?
Save some whare for the rest of us.
Save us some whare, maybe you want to sell it to us at a cheaper price.
That'd be great, actually.
Nah, man, it's gonna be plucky up. Let's just
I'm
Whakanui
very,
tēnā.
very
Te whānau
proud.
ruka, not only Mr. Ruka right here in the
Yeah.
studio went unconditional.
On his own funny.
Unconditional.
And Luke asked me, what does unconditional mean?
That's when there's no conditions.
No conditions, Marcia.
Yeah, no
Left it
conditions
all.
to the house purchasing. What a
it's
go.
signed, sealed,
it's
delivered.
so good.
Yeah. Yep. So the Ruka whānau have purchased 2
Two
new
funny.
whare. Yep.
Yes, and how they do that? Because if you want to be somebody,
somebody. If you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. If you wanna be somebody, if you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. Abso-freaking-lutely.
That needs to be a hotkey, I feel like.
Now
That's
we can
fun.
just do it.
Yeah, true. Never mind. We'll turn off Welcome to the Good Life.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
that's going to be our new intro.
I
for
know.
the
Truly
show.
though, I'm
Yeah.
very proud of you. I
Yeah,
think it's a
very
huge.
proud.
It's sort of like when you see people buying a house. It's
Yeah.
because we know it's not easy.
Well, yes, and that's the
it's
thing.
not cheap.
It's
No.
not cheap.
Come on.
But that's the thing. Like I've been getting messages from people who we aren't actually like super close or anything. But I think because people understand the struggle,
Yes.
and
They're
how
like,
hard it is and how difficult and how much
Yeah.
and how much of a milestone it is.
Huge.
Everyone's like, bro, that's so amazing, so proud. Like
yes.
even people
Mm.
that we're not even super close
Yes,
with are just genuinely
totally.
proud and genuinely excited because it's crazy trying to buy a house,
Yeah.
especially when you got 4 kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One coming and you're like, oh,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah, it's a bit
But
like.
you know, mahi maro e te iwi.
Mahi,
Mate mahi
mahi.
ka
Aye.
whai hua.
Ka whai muni.
Aye.
Just before we get into our 12 days of Christmas.
I thought you got a fight. I was like, what happened? What happened?
I just felt like it was the sort of universal way of making sure we all got on the same page.
Ah,
of the
yeah.
word. Ngā tohu huarere mō te ata.
Oh,
Mō it is currently 18 point. Oh, this is weird. It's currently 18.3 degrees here in Te Whangaone Pai
Kohi kohi ngā kutai.
But it should feel like
Where did you start?
Well, I started on the same and then I had to get off because I was all about the harmonizing.
The part.
Harmonising
Yes.
mō te te.
it's currently 18.3 degrees, but it should feel like only 18. So that's a bit
Oh,
strange.
sweet. Yeah.
It's a high of 26 degrees in here in Whangarei and
Wow.
Tamaki Makaurau, but it should be around 28, 29 degrees. 86% humidity, which means it is what? It is moist! And it is partly cloudy, southerlies, and a sun setting today at 20 to 9 tonight.
Oh, kia ora,
20 to
mihiana.
9.
Ki ngā tai o whangarei, high tide will be at 20 to 12 this afternoon. No, this morning. And low tide will be 4:45 this evening.
Quarter to 6. Oh, that's low tide.
Aye.
When's high tide again?
High tide again is at 10 to midnight.
10 to
Oh.
midnight. Oh, and speaking of high tide and low tide, well, who
Oh.
makes that happen? Hina does.
And what does she say to you?
And Hina's like, I can't remember.
Put your sexy voice on.
Yeah, she did
Phoenix.
say something like
Hey,
that.
Phoenix, it's me, Hina.
Yeah.
Put your sexy voice on.
And I was like, push the button, kia ora. Here I am. I don't know what I've done to this interface over here, but I don't know what I'm looking at.
Well,
What's happening?
I think you go to the top left. Yeah. Layout. Layout.
We're just working out our system
And
here.
default.
We've pushed the wrong button.
Oh, when X?
And then go layout again.
We're
And go layouts. And the other one.
Oh, there we go. We're back.
All
All right.
here we go.
Koki mai.
Oh,
Kia hina.
kia hina. Tēnā anō tātou.
Kia hau.
Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga e ki ane ko te sexy māramataka. Ina po I haere ki te taho o te moana. I ki te au, te atāhua o hina. I kōrero atu ki aia. Tēnā koe e hina, he pātai tāku. He aha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. I tuku no tia mai tana mātauranga I kōrero mai. Kore kore te whiwhia. Kore kore te whiwhia. Te wahanga o tēnei mārama. Ai. Kore kore te whiwhia.
Ora. Hey, kore kore. Fifi anything.
Te what?
Kore kore fifi anything.
Yeah, well, yeah,
Pretty
pretty
much.
much. Unproductive day on the shore, it says. Unproductive day. Unproductive day. Kore
Kia
kore te
ora.
whiwhia.
All right, but I'll tell you, that's kore kore te fifi. Hinder's not giving out
That's
much.
not us.
But we are giving out
Yes.
heaps.
Where?
5 prizes to be exact for
12 days of Christmas.
That's right, Whānau. We are giving away prizes left, right, and centre today because that's just how we do it.
Yes.
Hey,
What
hey,
prizes
hey,
left to
hey.
give away? Well, great question. Thanks for asking.
Marcia, what are we giving away today?
We have got Common Grounds Fitness gym membership. We've got a week's worth of our favourite pie. We've got the Pick and Save voucher, $100, and Ngā Aoe Rua Tonga Pack. And the biggest prize of them all, dinner with the crew, thanks to...
Oh, Fat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, fatty boy.
Yeah. Thank you.
I love it. I can't wait to see who wins all of these today.
Yeah.
Yes, so round one of
12 days of Christmas
is coming up very soon.
Very soon, like soon.
Yeah,
in
like
the next
Because we have to
couple
draw
minutes.
one every half an
After
hour.
the
We
next
actually have to
song.
draw 2 in the next half an hour.
Let's go.
Yeah, because we've got
Next
5
song.
prizes.
We're going to draw it.
Yes.
Kia ora.
We're going to listen to a song, Whānau. When we come back, we are going to draw our first prize of
12 days of Christmas. You're
Nō
welcome.
reira, I moi tēnā anei Rob Ruha with Taira.
Yeah.
Let's get this day going.
Taira.
Atena whakarongo maira, whakarukea o taera. Ia tangi hea te umere, umere. Ia kohiti te marama, ia ngā oko te moana. Ia tawa i nawa, ana, Papa tere, tere i ne ma. Papa tere, tere ta mama. Papa tere, tere i ara. Tere, whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. O wakasasa i maia, e taki na ere paua, e tuki na whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea te tonga, semi mai te nota. Aua I ana te ki, hey, te awe awe, te awe awe. Tai piti toru e, hei ti tai ti rāwhiti au e. Mātātua, te arawa, takiti mu, toko maru kura hau po taini. Papa tere, tere I ne ma. Papa tere ta mama. Papa tere, tere I ara. Tere, whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. O wakasasa ni maira, e taki na. Sakere paua, e tuki na. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. O wakasasa ni maira, e taki na. Sakere paua, e tuki na. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. O wakasasa ni maira, e taki na. Sakere paua, e tuki na. Whakarukea o taera, taera ia. Taki, tuki, taki.
Iwa te kaima iwa I ra ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa I ra tahi tu atu I hikurangi more nei te iwi e ara e mara.
E ara e mara. That's right, Whānau. If you just joined us,
Woo,
just
welcome.
know. Oh, yeah, welcome, firstly. Once, twice, thrice, 3 times a lady. But also, we are drawing 5 prizes today for
12 days of Christmas.
So we've just had some late entries come in, so we're entering them into our database because we've got all this amazing
wheel
technology.
of anxiety.
The wheel of unfortunate.
Oh my gosh. It's doom and gloom.
Yeah,
Here on Noi Tiwi, While We Wait,
Yeah.
we're going to fill it with, of course, our game every day, our daily dose of...
Woo! Here we go. Pow, pow, pow.
That's right, whānau kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga, tō koutou tino wahanga, ko Eara e Mara, an opportunity to play a game, to wake up the roro, the twins roa iho, roa ake,
That's right. And
Ara
also
ko te
your
roro.
nono.
and your nono too, ki te nono. Shake it.
Oh, shake it, shake it.
Oh, get it.
I
He hao
woke
tō
mine
tātou
up
ki
earlier.
Well,
Japanese.
you quite like.
I really liked 5 and 10. No, you chose.
I'm not even going to roll my eyes because mine's always co-papa game.
5 and 10? Or
5
choose
and
something
10.
else?
5 co-papas.
Go a round of 5 and 10 and a round of caper.
I see what
Okay.
you did there. Compromise.
I'll go-
Compromise.
I'll go
the
to
key
you
to a good
first.
relationship.
Yeah, hard out. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting, stop
I'll
fighting.
give you a whack.
That was like last night. My nephews are back. Oh, haven't seen each other for 4 months. You can tell. I'll go to you first, Phoenix. Phoenix,
yep.
name 5
Oh, here we go. Drag queens.
drag queens.
Oh. Priscilla. Butterfly Princess.
Okay, name 5 drag queens in RuPaul's Drag Race.
Oh, bro.
Come on, you can do this.
Name one in Whangarei.
It was, oh, yeah.
Shame on you.
Okay, name 1. Oh,
Is it Vince one?
RuPaul's
What's
Drag
his
Race.
name?
No, in
no,
Whangarei I
no.
said.
Yeah, I thought you meant from RuPaul's Drag Race.
Is there
In
one from
Whangarei?
Whangarei?
No, that's the answer.
Well, then I didn't mean
I
it.
was like, what are you
Oh,
doing?
so I've got it. Yeah. No, I don't know. Flower Barbie. Princess. Break it down.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you are to take.
Shall I go to you?
Yes,
All right.
because that was so successful.
It was guts.
Here we go. Name 5.
Macarena.
Tell me you don't want to play it without telling me.
Yeah. You asked for the game.
No, I was like-
I gave you the game.
I know literally 0 drag queens.
You asked drag queens. Name 5 drag queens.
Vince. I'm going to go with Vince.
Go.
Name 5. I'm trying. Shut up. Name 5.
Yeah.
What do you know, everybody?
Name 5 people entered in our 12 Days of Christmas competition.
All
Go.
right,
that's a good one.
we've got Tyler. Thanks, we got your 30. Tyler, the life
5.
underscore
4.
online. 32.
2.
Where are you?
2.
All the legs.
1. All the legs 11.
Oh, I've got
Okay.
a good one next for this
Luke,
one. Yes.
Name 5.
Ways to call Halsey. No, I just thought of that.
Oh, get
Ooh.
it.
I was going to ask you
Now
that.
that.
We're going this way, actually.
5 ways to call Halsey.
Oh, okay.
25.
All the 2s to 2, Karahu number 2,
No,
up
no,
and
no,
down
start again.
69.
Like we're in the housing.
Oh, okay, cool. Eyes down, first number out. All the 2s to 2, Karahu number 2, up and down 69, 891 to go, 90, top of the show. Oh.
Yeah.
2 fat ladies over there.
88.
All the legs, all the 7s, boom, boom.
Oh.
Okay, this is a terrible round. Okay, one more round. Good round.
All
right.
Phoenix,
Yeah.
name 5 New Zealand Olympians.
Tyler Nathan Wong.
Kia ora.
Portia Woodman.
Yes.
Valerie Adams.
5.
Sarah Carrington. Lisa
Yes.
Carrington.
Done.
And Rob Waddell.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well done.
yeah.
Well done, Skate.
Yes, Olympics. I scraped in there by the skin of my teeth. Marcia, name 5 famous, world famous movie quotes. Go.
Oh, that's
I'll be back. Cook me some eggs. He'll be back.
honey.
Somebody, anybody help.
Oh.
And honey, I'm home.
Oh, that'll do. Yes. Yes. Well done.
What were you thinking of? Hania Shrunk the
Yes.
Kids.
Oh,
Yeah.
kia ora. What were you thinking? Any others that jumped to mind?
What else jumps to mind?
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Oh, kia ora.
Romeo.
Oh, kia ora.
Wherefore art thou, Romeo?
Interesting, isn't it?
Isn't it? Okay, Luke.
Yo.
Last one from me. No, 5.
Oh, okay. She's really.
Tangata rongo nui.
Yeah.
No. Waho te taitoke rei.
Okay. All right.
Engari mai New Zealand.
Tangata rongo nui Māori. Sorry.
Ah,
Oh, but outside of the country.
Outside of te taitoke rei.
Oh, what did I think that? Okay. Stan Walker. Rhea Hall. What's his name? The guy on TK Samuels, man. Ben Samuels.
Oh, kia ora.
Ngahuia. Pitapi. Orini Kaupara.
Yes.
Very good. Orini Kaupara. It's great you mentioned her because
I
she'll be
love her. She's
filling in
awesome.
for the 6 p.m. news on TV, the News Hub.
Yes.
Throughout
Yep.
the holidays,
Nice.
starting Christmas Eve.
Did you see the awful comments she got recently? She put on her
Right.
Instagram. It was
Oh,
awful.
Yeah.
no, I didn't
Terrible.
actually.
She gets a lot of daily awful comments just for her momoko.
Yeah, someone said to her, "Why
Um,
would you ruin your beautiful face?" I thought, "Oh my gosh!" I said to her, "You should send the person to the race relations commissioner."
Yeah, we got.
someone's
terrible.
just texting
That's
from
something
a
she
hole
gotta-
in the ground.
Yeah, that's something she got to deal with every day.
Every
There's so
single
many
day.
like anti-Māori establishments. Engari, all of you guys, try and show me where's the anti-Pākehā
Oh, look.
establishments.
Mm.
Right.
We'll not find them because that's not how we
Oh,
roll.
nobody puts baby in the corner. That's a good one.
Ah,
Play it
yes.
again, Sam. What's that one?
Don't know.
Oh,
Play it again, Sam.
I got one for Chancellor Brock if he's listening. Play that same song.
Oh my god.
He'll get it.
Oh, Marcy, we should have thought of.
And look, I'm a lady.
I'm a lady.
And these are my recreational stretchy pants.
Yeah. They were sweaty.
Sweaty.
These are my recreation clothes. Not to correct you because you said it wrong.
Great. All right. Komatu?
Aye.
Aye. Continue
let's
ko
get
e
into
are
it.
but next
Yeah.
we are going to give away our first prize for
12 days of Christmas.
And we've got 5 prizes
5 praises.
and prizes
Praise giving.
and we need to give away today.
yes.
No other day. It's today. It's all going home.
It's all got to go. It's all
I don't
got
want
to
them
go.
anymore. I'm sick of looking at them.
So after this waiata
Second look at
from
you.
Troy Kingi,
Then we're
enough.
into it.
yeah, after this waiata from Troy Kingi is home, then we're getting into our first prizes for the morning. No reira whānau kia tonu mai, because you might be the winner.
Or you might not.
Yeah, but you know, be happy for someone else. That's here, FM.
I watch the sun as it climbs up on the bay. A cup of oxygen as I start my day. Cavalli beckons us to come out and play. The visibility makes me wanna stay. This place it holds a lot of history. I'm lucky to have the first missionaries. Ooh. This is home, babe, and I can find the words to say. I'm a privileged man to live on the sand, to live in the sea, where the mountains and the oceans coincide in peace. This nature is a therapeutic release, babe. I wouldn't have it any other way. Hey, I take a walk through the voluptuous trees. I feel the solitude out in the country. For such a natural height, it should be a thing. But like the cliche says, the best things are free. My pride is strong and my culture is stronger. There's nowhere else that makes my fire smolder. Ooh, ooh, This nature is a therapeutic release, babe. I wouldn't have it any other way. Hey, a man that has his family and a man who has his love is richer than a man who thinks he lives above it all. A man has his family and a man who has his love is richer than a man who thinks he lives above. Though the trouble spilling out of the news, easy to appreciate the vista like you. And though our dreams will take us to other lands, our footprints keep us in familiar sand. This is home, baby, and I can find the words to say. I'm this man to live on the sand, to live in the sea. When the mountains and the oceans coincide and beat, this nature is a therapeutic release, babe. I wouldn't have it any other way. Hey, I wouldn't have it any other way. Hey, I wouldn't have it any other.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira oro ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hiku rangi morena e te I. Yeah.
That's right,
Yeah.
Whānau. And, you know, without further ado, we got to get into our first prize draw, man, because we got so many prizes to give away today. We're actually running out of time.
Yes,
to
so
do
let's
it.
click a button.
Let's do it.
Click about it.
So Marcia's going to bring up the wheel of anxiety.
I am. Click the
Here it
button,
is. Look,
Marcia.
she's going to bring
Oh.
up this.
Look, we've got comments.
Will she hit the right wheel? Yes, she did.
Te wira.
Yeah.
Look at them. We've got everyone
Right.
else's entries from this morning put in there. Some of you just messaged us literally a second ago, and you're in.
You're in. You're in. You're
Okay,
all
play
in.
the Christmas music and I'll spin the button. Spin the button.
It's
Spin the
Spin the
board
bottle and spin the wheel at the same time.
cue
Put
the
the button.
Christmas music. Hit it.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, get it.
And-
Get it.
Here we go. First winner for today.
It's so exciting.
It's the
Oh, the wheel is spinning. The wheel is spinning. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Winner for today's first prize is Michael.
That's Marcy Michelle.
Oh,
Oh,
Michelle.
you just got added
Hey,
into. Oh,
No,
this
no,
is-
no,
oh,
no. She ended last week.
Michelle Hopper.
Honestly, I'm not doing that.
I don't know what's going on here.
Just pretend we don't know them.
Yeah, she's, I don't know what hooper that is. Anyway.
No, that's a hope.
Yeah.
Okay, Michelle Hopper, Auntie Michelle Hopper from
Here we go.
Poihakina.
What did you
Here
win?
we go. What have you
did you
won?
win?
Oh, this is so exciting. Let's just bring up the next wheel. We've got one more wheel to go.
Oh, this is real exciting.
Oh my gosh.
Te wira.
It's the same weeder. Marcia. It's the same weeder. Okay, here we go.
I love it.
How
Let's
is it the
go.
same weeder? Okay, sorry.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
so-
just a fun fact,
Yeah.
that's right. Michelle Hopper from Poihakina has been a listener from day one.
Take care.
She gets
Yes.
her 85-year-old mother-in-law up
Yes.
to watch us live every morning. She
Big
thinks she's
Nana.
watching live in New Zealand. I love that.
That's right. They watch, straight from
That's
the kitchen
right.
table.
That's right. I've seen the
Yes.
pictures.
Big time. Okay,
All right,
what
here
have
it
we
is.
won?
The wheel is spinning! The wheel is spinning!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
That's
Yay! Pack and Save voucher!
Congratulations,
Yes.
Michelle Hooper. You have won the $100 Pack and Save voucher for Whangare.
Yes, that's right.
That's awesome.
She's got fun here.
Yeah, I'm here.
I am so chuffed. That's awesome.
That is
Master
awesome.
is just like, thank you.
So much.
Kia
Are we doing
ora.
2 right now? Or?
We can. We can.
Oh my
but we'll
gosh.
just make sure that the names are out and the prizes off the wheel.
Okay.
How exciting!
Oh, yeah,
That
true,
was. Oh
true.
my gosh.
And
We'll
actually,
come
due
back.
to the time difference, she's probably still asleep in Sydney, Australia.
Oh, she's
Yes.
probably watching. She'll get on here soon.
But shout out to Auntie Michelle Hooper,
Aye.
who just won herself a $100 Pack and Save voucher. Even though you're all the way over in Aussie, I'm sure
Yeah.
some of your whānau here would love a $100 Pack and Save voucher.
But I know. Oh, she is the giver of givers. Actually,
Yeah, she's
Auntie
lovely.
Michelle, straight up. She doesn't hold on to anything. She just like gives away. Also, if you go to her house, it's like a convenience store. You can go in, and if you need anything, she has got it in the garage.
Yeah.
She currently has about 60 something salt lamps.
Oh,
I think
wow.
she
Do you
likes
do you
those
lick
things.
them?
I don't know. But her son goes through and turns them off and rings her at work and goes, I turn your salt lamps off. So then she rushes home to turn them back on.
Oh my
Thanks,
gosh,
Shaquille.
she's amazing.
But she is the giver of givers, so I'm grateful that she got that. Yeah.
Yes, well
Yay.
done. That's our first prize done. We've got 4 to go today.
Yes, let's
Ah,
go.
We're going to do one more right now.
Oh, right now.
Oh, are we?
Okay.
Oh, after the song.
Yeah, do a song. Killing it.
Through a couple of like technical things.
All right.
Like now delete Auntie Michelle off this,
Oh,
and
and
then
the
also
prize.
delete the prize. So
Yes.
we got Waiting in Vain from Bob Marley,
Oh,
and then after
we
that we're
are
gonna do
totally
another
waiting
prize
in
because
vain.
we just feel like giving away prizes all day.
Let's go.
Wow,
Oh.
until 9 at least. O reira whānau,
till
kia
9.
tonu mai. Ngati hine whē.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, girl, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your line. But the waiting feel is fine. So don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. 'Cause it's summer's here. I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. And I'm still waiting there. Like I said, it's been 3 years since I'm knocking on your door. And I still can knock some more. Ooh, girl, is it feasible? I wanna know now. For I to knock some more. You see, in life I know there's lots of grief, but your love is my relief. Tears in my eyes burn, tears wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for
I wate kai mai iwa I ono ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM. I don't want to wait in vain no more. I want to get into
12 days of Christmas. So excited.
Oh my goodness.
So excited.
Yes, we got so many prizes to give away. We are like literally running out of time to give them away.
And we're ticking them off one at a time. We've got 4 prizes left, and they've all got to go today. One's going right now. So if you're listening on air, jump online. You can see the spinning wheel.
That's right.
And you can see the spinning wheel of both names
Yes.
and prizes.
That's right. And also congratulations to our first winner this morning, Michelle Hopper from Poihakina, who took away the $100 Pack and Save voucher.
Kia ora. And right now we're about to find out who our second winner is.
Let's go.
Now, all you had to do was, you know the ture.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at that.
And what you have to do, you can either enter in online on Facebook or online on Instagram.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Look at all those
look
names.
at this. Oh, there's
Let's
like
go.
thousands of. Look at that. Oh, it's spinning. The wheel is spinning. If you're at home listening on the radio, the wheel is spinning, and
The
it's
wheel
about to
is
figure
now
out who's
spinning.
gonna win.
It's slowing down. A name is about to be generated.
Boomer!
Boomer!
underscore private. Oh, underscore priv 247.
Oh, Boomer
Boomer.
underscore Priv 247.
Right. Who's that? Well, I don't know. They were entered off. It sounds like an Instagram handle.
You
Yeah.
have a look at this.
All right.
Phoenix. Have a tutu.
Boomer. What is it? Underscore.
Boomer underscore Priv.
Shall we check out what they've won and then we'll
Yes,
check out
yes.
the actual, the other part?
247.
Yes. All right. Okay.
Yep. We're ready for the
Let's
prizes.
go. Yes.
The prizes are getting narrow. Oh, look at this. When she pops it up, it's going to like, holy heckama. Holy heckama.
Let's go. What did you win? Boomer underscore Priv 247.
Well,
Her name is Keida Smith. Keida Smith.
Hader. Hader
Hader.
Smith.
with a D.
Keira.
Hader.
Keida?
Ada.
Hader Smith. That's you, girl.
Why am I bringing up the wrong one? Let's say it flips on me. Here we go.
Oh, cue the music
Hader
again,
Smith.
Mr. Sound.
Oh, let's go.
We're going to check to make sure you're following the rules. Oh, it's spinning! The prize wheel is spinning!
It's the most.
Yes! Congratulations!
What is it?
Hader Smith, you have won Common Ground Fitness
Oh,
Membership!
yes!
Woo!
You have won the opportunity to come make your sweat cry.
Yeah!
That's right.
Make your fat cry, sorry.
Yeah, make it fat right.
At Common Grounds Fitness. Common Grounds
Yes.
Fitness, where all levels are welcome.
Oh, kia ora.
Kia ora.
A common ground, a common place for whānau to just come exercise, whānau first, fitness second. Let's go.
Oh, I love
Let's
that.
go.
Yeah, elevator pitch. You like that?
Yeah.
That's good. And even your voice has got that to it. I like that.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Boomer Kader Smith. You've won a membership with the Common Grounds Fitness.
Yes.
Yes, Boomer.
Yes.
Woo!
Let's go.
Here's
Shout
your,
out to you.
New Year resolution there. If you want to use it, you go abuse it.
All right. We have got 3 prizes.
Yeah.
3 prizes left and we're going to give them away next hour. Engari kia tonu mai e te iwi.
Yes. Kia ora tonu mai whānau. Before that, we have a waiata from Shaggy. A waiata.
Bring it on down. Tēnā koe te
from
matua.
Shaggy. You are my angel. It's a throwback. I'm going to play it before Master starts talking. No later.
No mai
Kia ora
mai
tonu
This
mai
doesn't
whānau.
sound like
Nā te here
Shaggy.
there,
Wera wa
After
koe,
this,
te roa
after this.
ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht ira kau ira NZ.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Kia ora, my name's Steve, and I am a stevedore foreman here at Littleton Port Company. I'm proud to say that I'm vaccinated. I was vaccinated because I have a 4-year-old granddaughter living with me at home. And the last thing that I'd want to do is take something into my own home.
Getting vaccinated helps protect the people you love. To talk to someone about getting vaccinated, call 0800 28 29 26 or visit covid19.govt.nz.
Driver's here. Mask, phone, lipstick. Okay, let's go.
Heading out? Remember, mask, scan, pass. You're good to go. Unite against COVID-19.
If I get hurt, who's going to help Uncle bait his hooks? Who's going to teach the kids next door to surf? Who's going to score all the tries at the touch tournament? Who's going to feed me my tea?
Have a and ask yourself, if you get hurt, who gets harmed? Find out more at acc.co.nz.
Now this one dedicated to all of you them who out there and know to say nice things to them girls. Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Dedicated to all the girls around the world. Now this is Raven and Shaggy with a combination with Candice. Flip this one for your musical disc. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done?
Yeah.
It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run?
Yeah.
Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
You're a queen and that's how you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed.
Yeah.
To the left, but I call and you heeded. Begged and I pleaded, mission completed. And I said that I and this the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotion.
Yeah.
But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long and this could never be wrong.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Girl, it's not on my behavior. Say I'm a savior.
You must be sent from up above.
And you appear to me so tender. Say, girl, I surrender.
Thanks for giving me your love.
Girl, in spite of my behavior, you are my savior.
You must be sent from up above.
And you appear to me so tender. Well, girl, I surrender.
So thanks for giving me your love.
All of this one big party when you're still young. And who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run?
Yeah.
Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Ngāti FM. It is nearly time for our Wātea News. Next hour, of course, we're giving away our last 3 prizes for
That's right.
12 Days of Christmas. So keep it locked, Tiwi.
Keep it locked because the entries are still coming in. They're coming in like as we are speaking to you right now.
Absolutely.
So as that's happening, we're entering them into our wheel of anxiety. As Luke likes to call it, te wida. We're entering those names in as they come in. So rest assured, whānau, your name will be in there.
Yes, I feel like we need to stop it at a time. You reckon?
Oh, yes. Like,
Yeah.
Literally
8
after the
o'clock.
news.
Literally 8 o'clock.
That's the last one. Because we
Yes.
can't. Yeah, no.
Because we had like how many weeks?
You got
Yes.
2 minutes. 2 more minutes.
Right, Tiwi. Engari, I mua i tira. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, background music. I mua i tērā whānau, yes, like Marcia said, we have the news from Wātea coming up very, very shortly. So keep it locked because we want to know who wins the rest of these prizes. You know, we just never know.
Next hour, we've got Meana Koe. Of course,
Aye.
your favourite go-to, Iti Te Kupu.
Yes.
And what else?
Prizes,
We just got the
prizes,
prizes.
prizes.
That's exciting because three's got to go.
They're going. They're
Yes.
going.
And if you entered ages ago, you're still in the draw.
You're
Okay?
still in the draw. And if you've won a prize, you are out.
You conquered.
Haere atu rā. Don't let the door hit you on the bum on the way out. You won already. You won. Let someone else have a chance.
Yes.
All the entries are in there, whānau. We look forward to seeing who wins. And like the biggest one coming up, Dinner with the Crew.
I know. And it just so happens that it's leaving us like to
Yeah.
the last
To the last, yeah.
3.
And that is proudly catered by.
Oh, Fat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, Fatty Boy.
Shout out to Zach Olsen, who just holds it down for the
Yes.
barbecue arena. If you haven't had any of his kai, then you definitely want to win this.
Yes.
Also, our other 2 prizes, Ngā Aoe Rua Tonga Pack.
Yes.
Thanks to Frana Miller.
That's
Yes.
Okay, everybody, news, and then be back with us shortly. Go to-
E ngai iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa. Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā tai pito kōrero te haora nā te pūtea tautoko a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e tiwi ko ngā iwi o te pē o te whairangi e ki ana ka aukati rātou i ngā huarahi kia kore ai te hunga hararei e kuhu ki ngā rohe pēnei ia waitangi me te pē o te whairangi te tuatura ki pai hia. Ana waihoki ngā iwi o te tauihu o te waka he ki ana rātou mea te whai whakaaro te hunga kaore anō kia whai te kanoārai mo te haere ki te rohe o te tauihu o te waka Māui mo te raumati me ngā hā kinikina e whai ake nei. Nā, ko Shane Jones o te au Pauri me te ropu toranga pū Aotearoa tuatahi tētahi kāri i te whakaai. Ki te whakataua etahi o ngā hapū o te pē o te whairangi me aukati rātou i ngā huarahi ki ngā wāhi hararei nui o te tai tokerau pēnei ia waitangi keri me pai hia i runga no hoki i te mataku kei mā hora i te hunga hararei te kōwhiori ki wainganui ngā whānau o era takiwā. Anei rā ngā whakaaro o Shane Jones.
Me ako kori tātou, mo te hanga kāhore anō ke o kaina, kia o kaina i rātou. Rakau he raru mo te hanga, hara mai ana i ākarana, ka te me eke atu i te iwa te kaupai heni ki o rātou ko pau te werowero. Te hanga e tōmuri ana ke werowero hi ai, nā, ko a mātou tai tamariki e tai o mātou whānau ke wainga tungi a mātou i muri whenua. Ko te aukatitanga, ko te whakapapuninga o te rori, e hali te mea ma te pērā, ka tere ai te werowero haere i te hanga e tōmuri ana.
Mena kāre anō koe kia whai i te kanoārai, kaua e haere mai, a koe rā te whakahau a ngā iwi o te tauihu o te waka a Māui ki te marea, hei tēnei raumati. Hei tā Barney Thomas, upoko o ngā mana whenua o Mōhua, arā he whakakotahitanga o Ngāti Tama, Ngāti Rārua me te Ātiawa. Ahakoa e hia ana ngā pakehi ki te hunga hararei, e whakatūpato ana ngā mana whenua me te ki ake, mena kāre anō koe kia whai i te kanoārai, Me ata whai whakaaro koe I mua I tō whakatau kia haere koe ki te rohe o te tauihu. Hei tāna me whai whakaaro te hunga hararei ki te hunga whakarairai o te rohe. Me te aha, ko te nuinga he uri Māori no ngā iwi e toru o te whakakotahitanga nei. Hei tāna e hara I te mea kei te ki rātou ki te hunga kua whai kano ārai kia kaua e hara mai. Engari e hāngai ke ana tēnei whakahau ki te hunga e kano ārai kore ana. Kua tai te Omicron ki ngā whenua te kauma iwa o te ao I nei. E whakapai ana etahi I kitea tuatahitia te ngangara hou nei I ngā whenua o Horana I mua I te ripoatatanga a Afrika ki te tonga ki te ohu hauara o te ao. Kei reira. Nā, hea ki ngā kōrero hou o te wā I kitea te ngangara Omicron nei I ngā tāngata e rua o Horana I te kauma iwa ki te rua te kauma whā o Noema I mua I tā rāua haere ki Afrika ki te tonga. Hoi anō rā, kei te pōnāna hoki ngā mātanga hauara o Ahitereiria ki te whakataiapa I te Omicron ki roto o Poihākena. I tai atu he wahine I Afrika ki te tonga ki reira me te Omicron I ngā rā tata nei. E rua rā ia e haere ana ki ngā toa me ngā wharekai o Poihākena I mua I te whakatau a ngā tākuta kua puta ngā hua o āna whakamātautau kōwhiori kei aia te Omicron me taratahi ia. Hei tā te Premier o Ahitereiria kāri ia I te whai whakaaro ki te hora rāhui whakamoho au ki runga I a Poihākena I tēnei wā. Nā, ko whenua oho tētahi kaupapa ho, kua ara ake I roto I te rohe o te arawa, kai a Kanapurangi Tauira ngā whakamārama.
Ka hoki ake oku whakaaro ki tērā o ngā whakatau ki mā te ture anō e patu. No reira, nā te ture I hanga I e rā here ki rungi a tātou, no reira ki oku nei whakaaro kai reira te rongoā, hei whakatika I e rā ngā hapa me ki ko upaina ki rungi a tātou te iwi Māori. No reira, mā ngā tangata, ngā rangatira, ngā mō kapua I roto I te whare pāremata e whakatika I e rā hapa kai roto I ngā ture. Hoi anō ko tā mātou, tā māo ko taku tuakana o tira mātou, toko toru nei o whenua oho, he āwhina, he tautoko I o tātou whānau.
Nō reire te iwi e whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
Ngā take o te wā. He hōtaka e titiro whakamuri ana ki ngā kaupapa nui o te wiki, ngā take tōrangapū o te wā, me ngā āhuatanga whakahirahira katoa o te ao Māori. Whakapiri mai, whakatata mai ki ngā take o te wā. I a rā mere I te whitu o ngā haora I te pō, I runga I a wātea onorau mātoru te iarere.
Nā, kei te haere a Damien McKenzie o te kaparangatira ki Hapani a tērā tau ki te tākoro I roto I tērā whenua mo te tau kotahi. Engari hei tāna kia hoki mai ia ki Aotearoa nei e hiahia ana ia kia toka tāna noho ki te tūranga topatahi. I roto I ngā tau ko mahui ake nei a ko whakamahia ia hei haika. Engari hei tāna ko te topatahi tōna tino tūranga. Nō reire te iwi ko eke nei tātou ki te mutunga o a tātou kohinga kōrero mo tēnei taumata o te haora e mihi ana kia koutou, kia haumaru, kia hauora.
Nā nō reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai pāho.
99.1 North of Hikurangi, Te Mita o Te Rohe, Ngāti Hine FM.
Tua iti. Tua iti. Yay!
Tua iti. E hōtaka mo ngā kōhunga tai tamariki hoki. Ta haka pāpāho tia I ngā rātapu pitu kraka. E paki waitara he pūrākau, ngā waiata kōhanga reo, e wahanga hoki ka whai wāhi atu kia koutou ngā whānau, tukua mai I ngā mahi haka hira o a koutou tamariki, aha koa te aha. Ka pohia wa koutou tamariki, e waiata ana, e whai kōrero ana, e haka ana, tonoa mai kia mātou, kia haka putaina, mā tēnei hōtaka atu aiti.
Yay!
Get your first, second, or booster shot with Ngāti Hine Health Trust.
Our Tōrangare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
In 2022, parents and caregivers will be able to get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Some tamariki get very ill from catching COVID-19, and immunisation is one of the best ways to protect them. Take time this summer to get the information and advice you need to make the best decision for your tamariki. Find out more at karawhiua.nz or call the COVID vaccination healthline on 0800 28 29 26.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowheori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Unleash your rhythm. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu I hekurangi more nei tiwi. E ara e mara.
E ara e mara. You're here with us, the crew. We have drawn already. How many prizes have we drawn? Two prizes this morning. So shout out to Michelle Hooper over in Puihakina, who just won the $100 Pack and Save voucher. Woo! And then also shout out to our other winner, Kira Kada Smith. I think it's Kira.
Okay.
I think it's Kira. I remember her. She went to Tiki High.
Yes.
She won the gym membership to
awesome.
Common Grounds Fitness.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
And so we've got 3 prizes still to go, and they'll be drawn this hour. Of course, there's Ngā Taonga, Ngā Awe Rua Taonga Pack, thanks to Frana Melinda, and also our favourite pie, a week's worth of our favourite pie.
We know where that's going to come from.
Yes, and the biggest prize of them all, dinner with the crew, thanks to
Fat Boy Barbecue! Yeah, Fatty Boy!
Yes, so kia ora tonu mai te iwi, that is coming up very shortly. But right now, it's a weatherman.
Ngā tohu huarere mo tēnei rā.
It's a weatherman.
It is currently 18.3 degrees here in Te Whangaorei Pai
Koi Koi Ngā Kūtai.
And also it's currently 18 degrees in Tamaki Makovid with a high of 26 degrees for both cities, which we all know is o Kakarinatanga. It's about 28 degrees because yesterday was so moist. It's 86% humidity, which also is a lie. And it is partly cloudy with southerlies, sun setting today at 20 to 9.
Right. I don't know if this is a lie or not, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. Ki ngā tai o whāngarei, high tide will be at 20 to 12 today. Also, low tide will be at 1:45. And it takes me ages to read the times this way. Like 17 to 18, I'm like 5:45 this evening. And then high tide again, if you're going to ask, is at midnight.
Marcia, I'm going to ask, what time is it again? Midnight, fantastic.
10 to midnight. 10 to midnight is high tide again tonight. Speaking of tides, well, who is the boss of the tides? Yeah, obviously it's Hina, the marama. And she was like, yo, I like your segment, Sexy Marama Taka. Can you do the thing where you push the button? I was like, yeah, of course, anything for you. Hina. Kia ora tātou. Nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei wāhanga. Tō koutou tino wāhanga e kia ne ko Sexy Marama Taka. Kouau tēnei ko Phoenix Ruka. Tētahi o ngā kaipāpāho o ngā Hine FM. I kōrero atu ki a Hina. Kia ora Hina, hia ha te wahanga o tēnei marama. I mea mai ki au. Ko kore kore te whiwhia. Te wahanga o tēnei marama. I was like, oh, is that right? She was like, yeah. Kore kore te whiwhia. Pretty self-explanatory, she reckons, you know. Just rest. Kore tae te whiwhi ngā treats I tēnei rā. Kore tae te whiwhi ngā treats I te rānei. So rest. Get ready for the days. Yes, that's right, whānau. Kore te whiwhia. In most cases, according to Hina, you would not be able to whiwhi ngā treats. Engari, I konei, ka taia.
Ai, tika tai. Ke a koe e tahi purongo o te wā. He tapu ko news today.
Oh, I heard there was some very raunchy news coming out of Kai Kohe.
Yes, actually, I take that back because I think that's pretty
I heard there was some very, you guys have been up to some mischief up in Kai Kohe. Mr. Tamati Rakena, Mr. Rania the Warren. Who else is up there? Mr. Kingi Rakete. You guys have been up to some mischief up in Kai Kohe.
Well, that's right.
Tell them about
the New Zealand Herald has reported, which I think is just brilliant, that sales of adult fun toys have skyrocketed, if not doubled.
Skyrocketed.
Because they got racked up in there.
Oh, wow.
Sales of adult fun toys have nearly doubled in Northland's own little town of Kaikohe.
You hear that?
Oh, Kaikohe.
It's Christmas time.
A total of 844 adult fun toys were just purchased only last month.
From where?
Kaikohe.
Yeah, but where in Kaikohe? Like
Well,
online.
Tamasi did have a pop-up store yesterday.
Oh, those type of pop-ups.
Oh, kia ora.
A Northland town has put self-care and sexual wellness at the forefront of 2021 after increasing sex toy purchases by 46%. Northland's biggest online retailer, Adult Toy Megastore, has revealed that Kaikohe in the north is the largest percentage of increased sales for their store alone.
Oh my gosh.
That is amazing, Kaikohe.
Kaikohe.
That
Te
is
o te whiki.
and that, yes.
Yes. And like Luke was saying, the sales of adult toys have skyrocketed. Funny enough, the actual favourite toy is a skyrocket.
Oh, here's another fun fact. People in Auckland, Christchurch and Wellington bought the most sex toys, while Whangarei ranks 10th. For buying sex toys. So,
Whangarei ranks 10th.
We're not the highest in there. It probably says a lot.
Yeah.
However, Kaikohe, you're right up there with the highest purchase of sex toys per capita.
I reckon it's because they're all related. So they're like,
Oh, you're right. It's just full of fun.
yeah, it's full of fun. They say, hence the 45% increase in adult toy sales.
That's huge.
Good on them. I think it's awesome. What is it? Wharangi pū.
Yes. Kaikohe. So if you're in Kaikohe listening right now, Rania the Warren, Tamati Rakena, Jude Campbell, Kingi Rakete.
All I say is hashtag earplant, hashtag peach.
Yeah.
Oh, kia ora.
You got those horsey tails.
Oh my gosh. Right, that is quite topical.
Hey,
that's funny.
Oh yeah, sorry. You got any more topical?
No.
I see.
No, honey.
That's a winner.
Because our winner has just come online from Sydney. She's just come online.
Yes.
Michelle Hopper, you're one of our winners today. You've just come online from Sydney. You won the $100 voucher.
Yeah, to Pack and Save.
Yes. Pack and Save.
Daily
Whangarei.
Watcher from Puihakina.
Tatiana Diamond.
When your dad lives in Kaikohe. Nah, sorry, Dad.
Wow, you know.
Catch Tika, Tatiana.
That's right.
Yes.
Hey, Chitika.
And when we say adult toys, we're not talking about fishing rods.
Other rods.
I think so.
Anyway, moving right along.
yeah. That's funny. Today. That is funny.
We've got 3 more prizes to go, everybody. Yes! Sorry, 3 more prizes. Two more.
You're just like the live comment reader.
People can't. Yeah. Anyway, are we going to play a song? We're going to get to a prize.
Yes, we'll play this song. It is Ja Rastafari from 1840. Straight after that, we'll be back with more prizes today. Today is Kore Te Whiwhi according to Maramataka, but according to us, shut up. You are ready to whiffing our treats. Alright, kia ora tonu mai whanau ngā Tēnei FM.
Hey, yeah. La la la. La la la.
righteous, as joyous as Jah as my witness. Faith, peace, harmony, dreams, aspirations, add it all together. It's a recipe from Jah, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Put your hands up in the air, over there, over there. Put your hands up in the air, over there, over there. Put your hands up everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Put your hands up everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Feel just power running through them veins. Be glorified, glorified, glorified in Him. He'll wrap you up in a cloak of light. He'll wrap you up in a cloak of light. I said, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Come on, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Come on. He will lead you to the light, yeah. He won't show you wrong, he'll show you right. Oh, oh, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Come on, now let's go. Jah Rastafari. Yeah, Jah, Jah Rastafari. Jumbo, 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 way. How? Jumbo, jumbo, way. Hey. Jumbo, jumbo, way. Jumbo, jumbo, way.
He mea tautoko na te manga.
Iwa Takoma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Iwa Takoma, iwa hiku rangi morena e te iwi. It is that time of the day. It is that time for what?
12 Days of Christmas!
There
Let's
it is.
go. All right. Draw number 3 for today.
I like your shoes,
Bring
Russ.
up. Thank you.
Let's go.
I wonder what's 12 Days of Christmas. Can we bring up the right window, Marcia?
Yes! Oh,
Yes,
look
we
at that.
can.
Here we look at those
Okay.
names. Goodness me.
E
There we go.
rima rau iwa te kau e ngā ingoa e toi ana ki roto i tēnei wina. Okay?
Te wira.
Te wina. Here we go. Turn up the music and...
The wheel is spinning! The wheel is spinning!
Who's it gonna be? Who's got the loudest table?
Who is it?
Lance Laybourne.
Lance Laybourne. Lance Laybourne, congratulations! You're today's third winner.
Laybourne.
Laybourne. Lance
Okay.
Laybourne.
Who's got the loudest table?
Oh my God.
That was really good.
It
You know,
was.
you know.
Lance Laybourne.
I don't know.
Here we go.
Lance Laybourne. There it is, Marcius. You're doing it again.
Look at that.
What did you win?
Lance Laybourne.
What did you win?
What did you win?
What did you win? Here
Oh
we
my
go.
gosh.
Yeah, that's the same one again.
Yeah.
Oh, you're funny. You make me laugh. We're just funny. The wheel, everybody. The prize wheel.
Yes, it's real exciting.
And then let's Lance Layboard is the winner.
What did you win? Same wheel.
Same wheel. Okay.
You only got 2 to go.
Go look. Talk amongst yourselves while I find the other wheel with the prizes.
Well, as you know, as the person wins, the names come out, but the prizes also come out. So your chances of winning a prize are getting higher and higher.
Yes, and the bigger prizes, there's still a couple of big prizes in there. So there's the dinner with the crew, obviously, proudly catered by
Fat Boy Barbecue, you fatty boy!
Yes, proudly catered by Fat Boy Barbecue, who does all things barbecue. I'm talking ribs, I'm talking lamb, I'm talking
And they're
Wagyu,
really yummy. He even does
flank steaks.
macaroni cheese. I've seen that on
Macaroni
there.
cheeses, big coleslaw. He just
Crayfish.
makes that real good, like southern barbecue, smoky red
Yeah,
flavor.
and it's like meat.
Yeah. So go check that out, Whānau. If you're not already, go follow him on Facebook. We've had a few late entries come into our 12 Days of Christmas competition. Rest assured, Whānau, you have been entered.
That's right.
But as of now, they have been cut off, so we can't enter anymore.
That's right, because there's too many of you, okay? Stop it.
Yeah, like
Stay
you've
home.
had days, all
You've
right?
had weeks.
You've had weeks.
Okay.
All
But
right,
she's
here we
ready.
go.
Oh, okay, she's ready.
She just is okay.
Wait.
What's going on
Come
here?
on.
Te weeda.
The right.
Weeda.
Is it on? Is it on?
Yes.
No,
there
that's
it
not
is.
it.
Oh, isn't it?
No, we didn't spin it.
Oh,
That's it. There.
okay.
Let's go. Let's
We're
do
ready.
this.
We're going to spin the wheel. Play the,
The
music.
three
Cue the
prizes
music.
still left to go is dinner with the crew and Ngā Aue Ruatonga pack and a week's worth of our favourite pie.
Woohoo!
Okay, here we go.
Lance Layboard.
You have won
The
yourself.
wheel is spinning. The wheel is spinning. It's the most wonderful time of the year. What is
The
that?
biggest
Fat Boys Barbecue! Yeah, fatty boy! I don't know if Lance, if you're a girl or a boy, but
Way to
Yes.
go. If you're there, comment now.
Yeah, if you're there, comment now. So you have won yourself dinner with the crew, proudly catered by Fat Boy Barbecue. So you can bring yourself and 4 of your whānau members.
yes.
4 of your whānau members.
And the
to
date
dinner.
Oh, yes. I forgot to mention this today, actually. The date is Friday, the 21st of January. We cannot
Yes.
change the date. That is it.
That's
Yeah,
it.
That's
This
it.
is
That's
great
when we're
prize.
booked in for. So we'll make touch with you. Is that a thing?
Make touch.
touch.
Make
We'll-
contact.
I'll get you though.
We'll touch
make
base with you.
Yeah, we'll touch base with you to make sure that date works for you, and also
Well, if
just
it
so
doesn't,
you know.
we can't change it.
Yeah, if it does, yeah. So if it doesn't, redraw. You're back.
Mate, you won!
Way to go. Fat Boy Barbecue, yeah, fatty boy. Love that tagline.
Fat Boy Barbecue! Yeah, fatty boy!
I love it.
Way to go. Okay, we've got 2 more prizes to give away.
Girl.
And who's it going to be? I don't know. You're just going to have to wait and
We're
see.
going to wait and find out. Nō reira whānau, kia utonu mai, ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe with Ain't Nothing But a Real Thing from Aradna. Ngāti Hine FM.
Picture hanging on the wall, but it can't seem to come to me when I call your name. I realize it's just a picture in the frame.
I read your letters when you're not near, but they don't move me and they don't groove me like when I hear your sweet voice whisper in my ear. Nothing like the real thing, baby. Ain't nothing like the real thing. Ain't like the real thing, baby. Ain't nothing like the real thing. See, I play my game, the fantasy, but I pretend I know we're reality. I need the arms of shelter to comfort me. No other sound is quite the same as your name. No touch can do half as much
to make me feel
better. Let's stay together. The real thing, baby. Nothing like the real thing, baby. Yeah. The real thing, baby. Nothing like the real thing.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ain't nothing like the real thing, babe. Ain't nothing like the real thing. Ain't nothing like the real thing, babe. Like the real thing. Ain't nothing like the real thing, babe. Ain't nothing like the real thing. Real thing. Ain't nothing real thing. Ain't nothing real thing. Ain't nothing like the real thing.
Ngāti Hine FM. Iwa te kauma iwa i ratahi.
Ko Puketiti ki runga, ko whakanikiniki te whenua ki raro, tēnā ko Ngāti Hau, he uri anō hau no Ngāti Hau, Ngāti Kuta me Ngāti Manu. Kia ora, ko Rebecca Toki Ahau. In a colonised worldview, I would probably be seen as a single mum, but I really don't feel that being part of, I just have an amazing whānau, but also being a part of these kaupapa, I'm so blessed that my kids are exposed to amazing leaders, young and old, tāne and wahine. So, through these kaupapa, they've got heaps of uncles and aunties and people to draw on, and they're exposed to all of that.
Mihi mai kia Rebecca Toki. She knew two tamariki, eldest daughter Jaden and her youngest son Jojo have been on a journey of reconnection to their taha Māori. They've been involved in two Ngāpuhi programs, one around Toi Māori and the other Maurako. Rebecca tells us that the skills she and her tamariki, including son Jojo, have learned have been an eye-opening experience and helped them to see the difference between art and Toi Māori.
Through Maurako, actually, we have to make our own tīpare for, when you graduate. We got to a point where we tāniko. So through Toi Ngāpuhi, coming into Taiohi Taioha, he come to realise there is a creative component to Maurako. Tāniko was a skill from his tupuna that he now knows.
She and her tamariki have also ignited their internal flame for te reo Māori, and in turn Rebecca's kids are helping her father to learn the language. She says her papa, Budge Toki, had a different relationship with te reo Māori growing up, but he's in awe of his mokopuna.
Dad's never said to them, oh, Māori, that language will never get you anywhere. They've never heard that, which I love. They just see him being excited. So cool for me to have seen where my dad come from, to now see that he's just totally in awe of them when they get up and speak.
Rebecca says the two Ngāpuhi programs they've been involved in received support from I Tū Whānau, a movement for Māori by Māori, which is underpinned by tikanga Māori, including whanaungatanga, mana and manaaki, values that epitomise Rebecca's journey.
What we've really appreciated with I Tū Whānau is they didn't invade our space. They were there to tautoko, and it comes back to whanaungatanga again, just networking. You got to have those people that are passionate and able to weave communities together, and I Tū Whānau are very lucky to have someone like Shirley Brown up here who's able to do that.
Mihi mana hope, Rebecca. If you'd like to learn more about I Tū Whānau, visit www.itūwhanau.org.
Te mita o te rohe.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa tika mai iwa i ono ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM te mita o te rohe e ara e mara.
Look at Big Luke. He's
Big Luke.
That's
Daddy.
right, Father. You're here with the crew. Congratulations to our most recent winner. You have won Dinner with the Crew, proudly sponsored by
Fat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, fatty boy.
Yeah, so we are reaching out to you as we speak to try and lock in that date so you can make sure that you are free that day and available with you and 4 of your whānau to have dinner with us. Because we
win!
Like it's for the cope up and the cause, blah, blah, blah. But actually, I just want to have a feed. And now we get to share it with someone.
We're so excited.
Yeah, oh
I
man,
know.
his food is the bee's knees.
Yes, shout out to Zach Olsen. If you haven't checked it out, check out Fat Boys Barbecue on Instagram and Facebook, and he does a lot.
Awesome.
I was like, you're looking at me like, have I got it wrong?
No,
Don't
hear
check
you.
it
No,
out.
he's great. He's awesome. He does lots of catering. I did a wedding with him once, and it was just awesome. The food was so good.
Yes. Ai
Local
tēnei wā,
Pākehā.
ko tai tātou ki tēnei wāhanga o te ata, e kia nei ko...
Ko
te kupu, yeah.
Call it, blow back, blow back, call it. I love this song.
Oh, you can stop saying that now. Maybe in the new year, you
we'll
don't have to
change it
say it.
I liked that song.
Alright,
Yeah,
Terry.
yeah,
He wahanga te reo Māori tēnei, e ki ana i ngā kupu whakarite ai, he Māori metaphor or simile. And today's one is manawa popore.
Manawa,
Oh.
heartfelt. Manawa, popore.
Manawa.
Popuri?
Potpourri.
Yes.
Manawa popore.
Yes, it's available in stores near you.
Manawa
Yes.
popore.
Smells
We should
so
actually create
good.
one. Manawa popore.
Yes, from the heart it smells beautiful.
Aye.
Manawa potpourri.
Popuri.
Popore.
Popore.
Aye.
Don't know.
P-O-P-O-D.
Aye.
Popore.
Popore. Don't know.
Popore.
No, it's not that.
I don't know what popore is.
Yeah,
What's a
popore.
popore? Can you give us a hint?
He popore, manawa popore. He
Popcorn.
pie, like make kind.
Oh.
Oh, well
So-
then a kind heart.
A heartfelt, kind from the heart? Like when you say
Aye.
it's from the heart.
Or this person is very giving and loving, therefore has a manawa popore.
Kia ora. So, whakamahi e roto i te tahirere ngā kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. Oh, that felt so
Hey, flip
good.
the
Uh, like, yeah. Anei mātou te whanau o e ara e mara, e toha tohangia ngā taonga kia koutou.
Ai.
He manawa popore mātou.
Popore.
I
like that. That's good.
I Gary, like, I don't think you'd call yourself the manawa popore.
Well, there's 3 of us, not just me.
But is this got to do with people who give but not material things, but they give of their time and they're good people? Manawa popore.
Anei te whanau o e ara e mara.
E manawa popore mātou.
Someone who puts others' needs ahead of their own.
Yes, right. Got you.
Yep.
Wai te tino, manawa popore.
I'm
Ko
also
mātou tērā.
the most humble.
yeah. Engari, if you can think of someone that puts their own needs before anybody else, others' needs before their own, he manawa
He
popore
manawa
tēnā.
popore. Oh, yeah. We know a lot of those. Typically,
Aye.
it's like your grandparents, nan, papa, mum, dad, all those amazing people.
Yes.
Puts everyone else before themselves to the point where they're wrecked because they've been given too much. Me he manawa
Wrecked.
popore.
Aye, and even one of our winners today, Auntie Michelle, he manawa popore.
Aye.
Always putting others before herself. Kia
I
ora,
like that
so-
one. Manawa popore. What
Aye.
was yesterday's one? That was a cool one.
Taiki ngā para?
Yes.
Taiki ngā para,
Kia
that's it.
taiki ngā para.
Yeah, utonu.
Yes. Kiau ki kamatua.
Oh.
Manawa popore. So that's one
like
for
that.
someone who
Yeah.
puts others before themselves.
Yeah, you'd hear it probably most commonly in Waiata Māori. dedicated to someone. He manawa.
Do you have any other readinga kōrero for us?
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
I was actually literally looking for another one. But yeah,
you can
another.
text if you feel like you want to text someone a message.
Yeah, and then you can just be like, Patuhi kōrero.
Patuhi kōrero tēnā pānui mai.
Like,
tricked you. Just wanted to make sure we're. No, but if you do actually want to text someone,
oh my god,
you know, pātuhi kōrero. Pātuhi kōrero tēnā pānui mai.
That's going to be your text tone. Make sure you record us when we do that, because then you can use it as your text tone.
I've just had a message from Alana Laybourne. She is watching. She said, woohoo! I can't believe it! Oh,
believe it, sister!
Believe it! I can't believe it! It is so amazing. I never win these things. My whānau are so excited. Thank you so much, Steve. Merry Christmas to you.
That's cool.
See you on the 21st.
That's so cool. I'm excited.
That is awesome. I love that.
I know how you feel too. Like, I never win these things either. You know, like when you enter, and Jen's won them heaps. Like, I feel like Jen's won them a few times. Yesterday, she was like, "Oh, I won this thing again." I'm like,
I don't either.
Yeah.
I don't. That's why I don't even bother.
But thanks to Alana, because you win, we win.
Yes.
Yes. Now that you have finally won and we know who we're going to dinner with, we all win.
I'm so excited. Now we actually know. We're going to eat.
It's going to be a nice summer afternoon with the whānau.
With the whānau. Obviously, the date is set, but time and place is still to be confirmed. So we'll stay in touch with you about those details. But other than that, know that on that day,
we eating.
Don't eat. Don't
eat, bro. Don't
Save
eat
all the room.
up.
Come to dinner with your elastic, stretchy pants.
No pants.
Yeah, you want to do the no pants dance.
Just wear a lava.
Oh my gosh.
Because you'd be like, ooh, girl.
Oh, girl. Hey,
Yes.
Auntie, we've got 2 more prizes to give away. And we'll do that after this next song. It's No Diggity here on Ngāti Hine FM. Kia utonu mai.
You know what? Yeah. Blackstreet. Baby. Ngāti Hine FM.
No doubt. Play on, play that. Play on, play that. Yo, Trey, drop the verse.
It's going down, fade to Blackstreet. The homies got at me, collab creations. Bump like agony, no doubt. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my credit can vouch, a dog couldn't catch me. Say out. Tell me who could stop with Dre making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Blackstreet and Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Shorty get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much grounds, got game by the town. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away. I can't get her out of my mind. Wow. I think about the girl all the time. Wow. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can? I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up, girl. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound. Baby, never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb. Lovers it curves so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to play just for shorty bang bang to look your way. I like the way you work it, Trump tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time, baby I can get you in my ride.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Babe. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, that girl looks good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. You're my kind of girl. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo.
Cause that's my peeps and we roll cheap, flying first class from New York City to Blackstreet. What you know about me? Now the thing, Cartier wooded frame sported by my shorty. As for me, icy gleaming pinky diamond ring. We bees the baddest click up on this scene. Ain't you getting bored with these fake broads? High shows and proves, no doubt. I've been thinking so. Please excuse if I come across rude, that's just me. And that's how a player's got to be. Stay kicking game with a capital G. Ask the peoples on my block, I'm as real as can be. Word is born. Faking moves never been my thing. So Teddy, pass the word to your and Chauncey. I'll be sending the call, let's say around 3:30. Queen Pen and Black.
No diggity. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up. Hey yo, I like the way you hey yo, hey yo. I got to bag it up. Hey yo, I like the way you hey yo, hey yo. Blackstreet Production. We out. Right. We out.
I o te kauma iwa I rono ki whangareina, I o te kauma iwa I ratahi tua atu I hukurangi mōrena e te iwi o he
we're back.
with the crew, with us, myself, Marcia Hooper and Luke Bread, with us. We've been giving away prizes just left, right and centre. It's just been like a show for giving.
Meko hanakoko mata.
Meko hanakoko.
Meko klehimi titine.
Manawa polole. I can't remember.
Mehe manawa
Polole. Porora.
Popore.
You
I
got
was
it.
like, where are we going with this?
Yes. But we've been giving away prizes. Congratulations to Alana, who is super excited to be coming to have dinner catered by Fat Boy Barbecue at the, kind of towards the end of Jan. That's us.
That's right. And we're about to give away 2 of our final prizes today.
Yes,
because
let's
that's
do
it.
it.
Here we go. The wheel is up.
Do it.
The wheel of
Let's do
anxiety
it.
is
2
up.
more prizes to give away.
Play
Let's
the music.
go.
Hit that track, Mr. Sound. Here we go. Give us the wheel of spinning. The wheel is spinning. The wheel is spinning.
Oh,
who is it? The winner is Tyler B.
Tyler B.
Tyler B.
Nah.
Tyler B.
We're going to check if she's following you. If she
Yeah.
doesn't follow the tuning. We've rejoined.
Yeah.
Tyler V, you are
That's
today's
hilarious.
4th winner.
Didn't she just enter now? Yesterday?
Yeah, no, she's on. Right,
Oh,
let's see what you're
Tyler.
taking away. You've
What
got
did you
one
win?
of 2 prizes left. You've got Ngā Ao E Rua prize pack, and you've also got a week's worth of our favourite E Ara E Mara pies.
Yes.
Okay. I'm telling you, you're going to want the pies.
Obviously.
And Ngā
Bacon, egg, and cream
Oh,
pies
that's our
from
favourite.
Pilk. Oh, let's go there now. Like just quickly.
Tyler V!
Yes.
She is just going to flip. Because she was like, I want to win something. Oh, look at that. The anxiety right there. There are 2
Here we go.
prizes.
Oh, it's a flip of a coin.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go, Tyler. You're
Hit the
winning.
music up.
Oh.
Here we go. You have won.
Your best friend's Target Pack.
That's hilarious.
That is so
That
cool.
is hilarious. You have won a prize pack, Tyler V, from Ngā Ao E Rua. You may know that business owner.
Kia ora. That's right. But
That's awesome.
shout out to Ngā Ao E Rua. Do go follow them on Facebook and
Yeah.
Instagram. They've got some mean prizes.
Honestly, so good.
And today, Tyler V, you're walking away with the prize pack.
Yes.
Yes.
If
You
you're
know
looking,
what that means? She's not going to give it.
Yeah. If you need a Christmas present for your pepe or your tamariki, little pepe friendly patu and things like that, then Ngā Aotearoa is where you want to go check out on Facebook. They got cool
absolutely.
things. Yeah.
Yes.
It's so good. It's made right here in Whangarei. It's brilliant. So go check it out. And well done, Tyler V.
Yes. Okay, Tiwi, we've only got one more winner. Should we just do it now?
Yeah, let's do it.
One more winner and one more prize. So
you're going to win the week's worth of Iara Emara's favourite pies. It was a 10 out of 10 from Pilkington's Cafe, the bacon, egg and cream pie. You're going to win a week's worth of those courtesy of the whānau from Iara Emara.
Yes. Who's going to win it? Well, let's
find out who the winner is.
Okay, bitch, I'll bring it.
Can we just spin the wheel anyway?
Okay.
And the winner.
Last chance.
Hit
Here
the
we
music,
go.
Mr. Sound.
Here we go.
Oh, wait. I have to take out Tyler V. Talk amongst yourself.
Nah, just if she wins, just don't
Okay,
get
okay. Okay, here we go. Everything.
Chances are pretty slim.
The wheel is spinning! Here we go!
Let's see.
Wonderful time of the year. The winner is... Here it is.
Andy Sailor Epiha. A week's worth of Pilkington's pie.
Oh, they're so good. You're gonna
They're so good. They are so good. Shout out to Kani. You have won yourself.
Kanika Sailor to
Ah, nice. Kanika Sailor.
Kanika Sailor. Hey.
Let's Kanika Sailor to
Right,
the
it's here.
sun
We are
goes
all like
down again.
fresh out of prizes.
Popo.
But isn't it fun that you've just we're manawa pōpore?
We're tangata humari.
We're ngako noi. Stop it, stop.
Yeah, me, my, ourselves.
Alrighty, Tiwi. That is the end of
12 Days of Christmas.
A huge shout out to all our sponsors and our prizes.
Soil and Sand, Pack and Save Whangarei, The Key Whangarei, Central Cool Pilates Whangarei,
Mo Designs Wrapping Paper, Hello Pickle.
Yes.
Common Grounds Fitness.
Common Grounds, Hatea Kapahaka, The Birdman Merch, Anga Whakamua.
And last but not least, Fat Boy Barbecue.
And Ngā Aotearoa.
My bad.
That's okay.
Second to last but not least.
Cafe.
Yes. But of course, the biggest prize being dinner with the crew. Thanks to
Fat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, fatty boy. Can't wait for that one.
Go do it in like a sensual voice. That same quote, like in a
what?
sexy voice. Go.
Fat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, fatty boy.
Oh, wow.
That was a bit more like you were a little bit more like movie trailer, like
close.
one barbecue, 2 smokers, 3 briskets, 1 hero.
Yes. I thought your one sounded like that.
Superman?
No, Scream.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Oh, yes.
Hello.
And it was
Well done, everybody.
Shout out to all our 12 winners. You have been
Yes.
awesome. Thank you for listening. Obviously, it's been a great year with Iara Emara.
Yes. We're actually drawing to an end for our live show.
Yes, we are back tomorrow on air, but not on live.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll be on air, Ngāti Hine FM 99.6 here in Whangarei, 99.1 north of Hikurangi, right throughout the holidays. We're here, we're keeping the home fires burning.
That's right.
But our online portal will go down and come back next year.
Yes,
It's holiday mode, Tiwi.
Yeah, that's
you know
right.
what it's like.
It's holiday
here on
mode.
if you're a pakihi, a local pakihi or a local business, a local pakihi Māori at that, do get a hold of us because we do want to continue giving away prizes for 12 days of Christmas, but also for anything.
And also just shouting out your business.
Shout out.
We want to use this platform as best as we can to help support local Pākehī Aotearoa, local Pākehī Māori.
Aye.
However we can with this platform. So if you are a local business and you want some, to give us some stuff so we can give it to others and therefore share your business, then
we're in.
Then no mai.
No my.
What a great year it's been, guys.
What a great year.
Yes.
What a great year.
Yeah, I actually think that our online's just crashed.
Typical.
Or they just up and left after all the prizes we won.
Yeah, they're like, I didn't win. Unwatch.
Unwatch.
Is that a thing? Unwatch?
Probably.
But yeah, it's been a great year. Shout out to all our listeners who have been there. Iara, Ia Wiki.
That's right.
Aye,
Marama.
we've got a Sarah Kays.
Yes,
Yeah.
we've got the Michelle Hoppers and
Aye.
Nanny Hopper and
The
Nana Hopper.
sissies.
Yes, Tatiana
Check your
Diamond. She's
inbox.
always
Messenger.
And also
Yes.
thanks to our generator who helps generate our
Oh,
content.
kia ora.
Yes, shout out
For
to
the generations.
Oh, that was good.
also she is the janitor because she cleans up all our messes.
Kia ora.
And yes, but thanks everybody out there for embracing our show this year because it's been a bit different for you, I know. But hey, we're out there with everybody else, and we're coming back for
That's
more.
right. We're
big
just getting
and brighter.
started.
Yes, and shout out to all of you for staying tuned even through all our technical difficulties. Every time our mics weren't working, our mics weren't turned up, there was Transformers trying to take over our airwaves,
Yeah.
the live crashes, all of that thing. Shout out to you, Whānau, for, staying in there. Hakua
Yes,
te aha.
absolutely.
Hokone tōna
Aye.
koutou.
Aye, ngā taiki ngā para.
Ngā taiki ngā para, aye.
E ua ana ki te kaupapa. Next year, we've got so much cool stuff planned. We've got concerts to go to. We've got events to be at. We've got Māori awards to show up at.
We've got TV show.
That's right.
You've got a TV show. You're on TV.
New season coming to you, and we're coming to a town near you around the country as well.
And of course, we'll be catching up with our favourite New Zealand artists again.
Yes,
And hopefully making our way down to the Hawke's Bay for the annual Waiata Māori Music Awards.
Music Awards. Yes, it was gutted. We missed it this year because of COVID restrictions and all that stuff. But hopefully next year we're down there. We're talking our kanohi to our tangata rongonui. And I just want to meet them and hang out because some of them are cool and I want to be cool.
Kia ora. Engari, i enei wā o te hararei, ko te mea nui kia haumaru, kia harikoa, eat the food.
Eat the food. Who cares about your diet? Throw out your diet for a couple of days of the holidays. It's okay.
Overeat, overspend, overblob.
Yes.
But just be happy. If it makes you happy, then it makes you happy.
That's right.
Yes, aye. Yes.
Engari, ko te mea nui kia haumaru, and come back and see us next year.
That's
yes.
right. Yes, come see us. Yes. Yeah. Hopefully we have different catchphrases for you next year.
Hopefully we have different.
Yes, hopefully we have different catchphrases.
Yes, as Marcia did say, we are not online as of tomorrow, but we are not on air until right throughout the holidays. But we're back online from January the 17th.
Yeah, so you can still tune in to us. Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono and whangarei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu i Hikurangi. So you can still tune in every day. You will still hear our lovely, lovely voices. We're still playing the games. We're still bringing the laughs. All those shows are still guaranteed to bring a smile to the dial.
Yes.
So keep locked, whānau, because we'll still be here. Wairua.
Kia ora. Hea mō te wānei, mai a mātou mō tēnei tau, meri krihi mete kia koutou katoa, kia kaha.
Kia maia!
Kia nifa. Yeah, boy.
Clueless, you got me clueless. See, I don't know what it is, but you have it when you started moving. Don't stop moving. Let me get closer to you, closer to you, closer, closer. This night